Go to the category setting and set different levels of categories. You can set up 3 different levels of category. First, click Default Category and then click 3-pointer. Fill out the name. Confirm it. The logo like the pen is you can modify category name, and the detractor is delete category. The plus is add a new theme level category. The 3-point is add a subcategory. On the right are the information of the category and the products under the category. First, the status. Whether the category status is on, the on status is orange, the off status is gray. Show it on your navigation. Whether to show it in your website navigation. Display is orange and don't display is gray. Category title, keywords, description. You need to fill out the category name, keywords, description used for SEO. Your shop theme has a recommended items section by default. After the product is released, you can see it in the category products. You need to add products first.